Okay, welcome to my AutoCAD tutorials, friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the civil plan. In the yesterday class now already I discussed with one plan with a different method. So that plan is a mechanical plan, but today I'm going to discuss about the civil plan to you. Okay, I'll open that drawings to you. Then we discuss it what we are going to do on that. Okay, so I'll open it. Okay friends, we can see this plan now. So this is a plan I'm going to discuss with you. This plan is civil plan for you, so I'm going to discuss about this thing to you. Okay, so first of all, when you check the any civil plan now, so first we need to think that what the dimensions are having here, and all those things we need to clear out it. Observe friends, this is all this civil plan here. In this civil plan now, so we are seeing the dimensions. The dimensions are in a meters, so every wall thickness is 0.20 meters, and we have another dimensions also here. These dimensions are going to be considered when I made this windows or ventilators. I'll go into the consider on that time now. So today I'll going to discuss that how we have made this basic form of it. Okay, so basic form means is nothing but what friends, you see the basic structure, how we can make it that. So that I'll going to discuss with you. So okay, we'll start that AutoCAD to you. So and we're going to explain this all those things to you. Okay, and just a minute now. So just a moment, I'll going to open the AutoCAD, and now we can look at here friends. So after making the structure, we need to make this doors or windows or ventilators, and we have the doors. We have door 1, door 2, door 3 is having it here. But here we can see friends, as for the civil engineers, now the civil engineers are going to make that plan by using of the layer option. So within the layer we do something, so then it's possible when any customer is asking any questions to you, we need to show that things to your customer. So that's why we need to do your civil plan in the layers by using of the layer option also. But you are in the basic now, so that's the reason I'm not going to discuss that much. So why? Because I'm not explaining layer command to you. So but when I'm explaining the layer command now, so at that time I'll be discuss with you so how we are going to do this plan with respect of layers. But here can observe friends, we have the schedules for here. The schedules means it shows to you what the doors we have and what the windows we have, what the dimensions we have with that all those things we are seen over here. And see friend, this is AB. The AB is nothing but is a section plane. So we are creating one section plane here, and we are taking that section, and we have the CD is also there. The CD is also one type of section, and we are going to do that section, and in that section how the plan will going to look, and all those things will going to discuss that when I'm coming to this particular works. Okay, let's see here. My AutoCAD is started now, so I'm okay, so this is actual civil plan to you. So and if you are going for the next plans to you, the next plans is also having the bigger plans will comes out here. This is a small plan, and this is very easiest plan here. So but when you are going for the next plans to you, the next plans is somewhat is a bigger, but it's not that much of difficult. It is very easy when you are knowing this plan. This is very easy. Okay, I'll do that how we are going to do that civil plan to you. Okay, the basic structure I'll going to discuss with you. Okay, let's see here friends. Okay, I'm closing my welcome screen here, so I just closing it. Okay friends, now I'll see this all those dimensions now. So can you observe here from here to here we have the 9 meters 9 meters length is there, and from here to here we have 12.10 meters here. And see friend, somebody such do that, they made the rectangle and they do that all those rooms and all those things, but I'm not going to do that way friend. I'm going to make the I'm going to make the any civil plan by the coordinates friends, like say friend, I'll going to make the X partitions first, and after that I'll make the Y partitions. That is my way to my way to do that. So, and if you are when I'm working on the construction department also, and that time also I'm using this type of method, so that's the reason I'm explaining that type of method only. Otherwise we can take a rectangle and we can make it the walls, and we can use the trim command. By using of the trim commands we can trim it unwanted things and all those things. Okay, so but I'm not going to do that way friends, I'm doing it in my way. So that is, I make the X partitions first and after I'll make the Y partitions. Okay, so observe, so finally it is 9 meters and it is 12.10 meters. Now we are moving to the here. See friend, the first things first, so we need to set the units first. So that's why I'm going to the units command, that is we already know that, UN enter, and after that we need to change the inches to meters. Why? Because of my plan is in the meters, and my dimensions are is given into the decimal values. We can observe here 3.60 is given to you. If in case if they given 2 feet 3 inches or 6 feet 4 inches, they're given like that now, so we need to change the length units over here. But here they given it what friends is the decimal value, so that's why I'm as it is, I'll leave it as it is decimal value over here. So okay, and just moving to the plan here. So now I just okay here. Okay, and I'm taking the line command now. So L enter, I take a line now. So already I told you F8 I'm on it, so for the ortho and I'm using the 9 meters, and after that I'm taking that one more line command. I'm end point here and I'm using the one more 9 here, sorry 12.10 here, I'm using it, escape it. Now you can see friend, already I told you every wall thickness is 0.20 centimeters, so that's why I'm taking the 0.20 meters. So what 0.20 offset, O enter 0.20. so I'm selecting this object and click on this side. Why? Because of my parallel line wants to become on this side, and I'm selecting this object, I'm coming to this side. Okay, escape it. And after that we need to take one more dimension friend. So here, so already I told you I'll make the X partitions and after I'll make the Y partitions. In my plan we have only 2 X partitions, that is this and this, and they show in the dimension here is a living and dining hall, that is 3.60, and bedroom is having 4.80. Okay, now O enter, I take that 3.60, I'm taking it. So I'm selecting this inner wall, and I can click it this side, O enter, and 0.2 here, and I can take this 0.2 and click on this side, escape, O enter, and we need to take this 4.80. So I'm taking the 4.80 and I'm selecting the object, and I'm selecting this object and click on this side, escape, O enter, 0.2 there and 0.2 on this side. Okay, escape. Now you can see friend, I want to take the Y partitions now, so I need to take 7.80 here, O enter, and 7.80 here, and taking that 7.80 over here, escape, O enter, 0.2 there and 0.2 this, O enter, 2.30 here and 2.30 in and all, and click on this side, O enter, 0.2 here and 0.21, sorry, escape here, O enter, 0.2 here and 0.2 on this side, O enter, 1.2 here, so 1.2 on this side, escape, O enter, 0.2 here, 0.2 on this side, escape, TR double enter, I need to take TR double enter here and delete this, and we can take one more go enter 1.50 here and take 1.50 on this side, escape, go enter, escape friends, go enter 0.2 there and 0.2 here, escape, tr double enter, I'm taking 0 tr double enter, I delete that and I'm going to remove this one and I delete this, and I want to be here, that is O enter, 4 enter, I'm taking the 4 this side and O enter 0.2 here, yeah, escape, tr double enter, now I'm trimming this values, I can trim this, escape, delete this. See friends, the basic structure is there, so means we are selecting this basically over here, and by default we are selecting like this window selection, and O enter 2.60 I'm taken, so this is also on type of toilet. Okay, I'm taking this line, so O enter 0.2 here, so I'm taking the 0.2 on this side. Okay, then tr double enter and I'm going to the delete this and I'm going to the delete this. Now you can observe, see friends, the basic structure is came here, but I want to do this doors also and as well as windows also, I need to do that. So that's the reason I'm going to do that things to you from the next section of class. Okay, and the next section I'm going to discuss about the doors, windows, and these all those things, how we can do it. We'll go into the discuss on next section to you. Okay friend, okay, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts now, please comment below, so I'll be giving answer for that. Thank you.